You're pretty cute. Don't know what for. Everyone else That's what makes you beautiful. Happy birthday, ka! Mwah, 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 mwah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kawin! Happy 18th birthday! So, happy birthday! Guwang naka, o isa ka years ako, haha, you're ate now. So, Kawin, first of all, gusto ko magpasalamat kay you've been iniabot ka sa akong kinabitchos. You've been a very good friend sa ako sa mga Indies, and I've always been thankful for having you in my life, for having you part in my life, and for letting me also to be part of your life. So, salamat sa tanang comfort, understanding, sa care, syempre, og sa love, na imong gihatag sa amo, sa ako. Og thank you kay you've always been there supporting us no matter what, 'di ba? Tapos kanang gusto ko mag-sorry, alangan kay sino jud nga sorry. Lang kay kabalo ko nga dalan kong shortcomings for being a friend. As in wala na ko as in especially karon murag ambot, wala na ko ibalat sa inyo. Kasi wala na jud ko ambot murag tungod po siguro kay busy mo, then busy po then, diba, maumurag, di na kayo nagasturya-sturya, contact. So, gumingaw na jud kay ko sa inyo ha ka, super kaayo. Wait, message na. Kawen, karon, 18 na ka, so I wish you more blessings sa imong pamilya, sa imong studies, o syempre, sa imong love life. Kabalo ko, love life. Chup. I wish you a good health, syempre. O I wish you na, I pray na you'll follow your dreams. Kay be what you want to be ka. And please live life to the fullest with no regrets. Because para makita ni mo ang fulfillment o true happiness. Diba? So, follow your dreams lang and follow your passion. So, in all your decisions, sa imong plans, dreams, you know nga, I'm always here for you no matter what. Kami sa mga Inday. So, karon legal na ka. 18 na ka, te. So, I pray na for more birthdays to come. Then, naunta, kanang more wait, wala na ko. For matatag na friendship, more memories to share with each other. Please. Then, unta, magsugod to chika pyramid. Chos, magchika-chika na tabi. Then, kabalo na ko nga, daghan siya kag lucky diha. I know, kay gwapa kay Kati. O, feel ko, nag-bloom bitaw ka. Unsa man siya nahitabo, char. Then, unsa ka, stay gwapa. Syempre, stay gwapa, buutan, diligent, caring, friend as always, cute, og very smart. Og kanang unsa remember nga balik-balik na ako message pero wala lang gusto lang ko nga always here for you no matter what. This forever. I love you ka super mama chup chup. Hey! Happy birthday, Karen! Hey, ikaw ang sex lady mo kaya. Sexy lady, si Karen. Si Karen. Si Karen. Hey, sexy lady. Yeah, si Karen. Yeah, si Karen. Happy birthday!